All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today, my people, we are back with yet another unboxing. This time it comes from the people over at Max Aroma. You guys may be familiar with what's in this box because I did a semi-unboxing on my Snapchat and Instagram, but now I'm giving you the full unboxing. Now, I didn't remember what they sent me because they hit me up a few weeks ago and they said, Big Beard B, we want to send you something. I'm like, sure, send it. What do you got? And I forgot what it was. And they end up sending me Ajmal Rose Wood, and this one is the Eau de Parfum concentration according to the box. But what really matters is what this juice smells like. So let's go ahead and check it out, man. I have never experienced anything from this line before, but from the name itself, it sounds like it might be one of those Dubai-esque fragrances. So let's check it out. Has a nice heavy presentation here, man. Rosewood, 100 ml. Eau de Parfum, what it says, 3.4 fluid ounces. This one here is from their Ajmal W series because it's a winner. I'm assuming that it means winner. I have no clue. Could mean wood, and I think it does. Because they also have amber wood. So let's get into this here, man. Let's see what we got. I've never had any experience with this line before, and I don't know what to expect. So let's check it out. First impression is live on the camera. This is gonna hurt. So the other night, my wife was in a makeup room and I was harassing her, and I think my son was in there too. Yeah, he was in there too. And she said, leave me alone, I'm gonna bring you with this hot glue gun. And I said, whatever. And I did not stop, and she burned me with the hot glue gun, and therefore it ripped off my skin. The abuse. See how I get abused here on camera? She's working me on this camera. See? All right, here we go. So this is gonna, all right. Okay. This sounds like a shot up your alley. I knew it was up your alley. You heard her? Say it again. Say it again.
Love it.
You love it. Oh yeah. You fucking love it. Name that movie below. If you guys know what that movie is, I will pick one of you to send you a decant of this. I'll give you 5 ml, 10 ml. I don't know how many ml I'm gonna give you. I don't have like a decant readily available. I have to buy one and send it. So whatever I can find, I will send you. But that's word. That's on my word. You guys don't know what that is. None of you know. You know what's crazy? Every time I talk to people about that movie, no one knows what it is. But nonetheless, back to the fragrance here. This one is dope. Like, I just released a video about top fragrances I like to smell on my wife. This one is dark, it's resinous, and this is one that she would like to smell on me because she likes these darker fragrances. This one has, obviously it has rose in here. This is woody as well, hence the name Rosewood. This one is woody as well. Also smells like it has some vanilla, so it's kind of creamy in it. Has some muskiness to it as well, and it's slightly sweet. I like this one. I don't know why I've never heard of this company before, but it's nice. Now on that spray, I kind of sprayed too much at one time, obviously in one spot, so I got a little alcoholness to it. But when it dries down, or it starts to dry down, yeah. This is nice. Let's see what I can find out for you guys. So according to the book here, the base is woody, oody, and powdery. It has sandalwood, agarwood, vanilla, tonka bean, and cypriol. I think that's how it's pronounced. Like, don't kill me if I don't say this stuff correctly. The heart, I said it was musky. It's a floral musky, so there's musk there, and it's spicy floral in the top with pink pepper and rose. This one is, yeah, they did their thing with this one. People who are gonna like this one, right? You're gonna like this one if you are into darker fragrances. If you're one of those bad boys, you don't wanna smell like everyone else, you wanna stand out in the crowd, you're gonna like this one. Obviously, if you don't like oud, because there's agarwood in the base of this one, you're not gonna like it. Now, I'm not sure if this one is real oud or not because I'm not familiar with the line, but I'm going to assume it's not. If you're not a fan of rose, you're not going to like this one. If you don't like spicy, this one's not really spicy. Like, it says spicy, but it's not like spicy. This is like you go to a place and you say, let me get the spicy wings, and they bring you out like some, you're like, oh, these are like mild. Like, it's not spicy at all. Give me more. Like, give me your atomic. There's a place around the corner that have suicidal wings. I've never tried them. because I don't want to commit suicide. But all in all, I do like this one. First impressions of this one is that it's dope. I'm not 100% sure of the pricing of this one. I will link it below, but I will also see if I can get you guys a discount code. If I can get you guys a discount code, I'll link it below. Traditionally, I use like BBB and a percentage off, so I'm going to speak this into existence. It may not be this, so make sure you check it below. I'm going to tell them if they can give me a discount code to make it BBB 10, 15, 30, 20, 50, 100%. I don't know what they're willing to give us, but whatever they're willing to give us, I will link the code below for you guys to check out. I think this one is dope, and I'll see if the code will work on anything. If it is, I will just link that below for you as well. I like this though. Thank you. That's my take on this one. If you guys have tried this one out or any of the other ones from this house, comment below and let me know, man. As always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And I'm going to reach out to my friends at Max Aroma and see if I can get you a discount. Now hit the goddamn bell.